All right, guys, we're still at the pet shop. You've just completed part A. If you have not finished part A, I want you to go back and finish part A because this is going to ruin part A for some of you. So check. Did you finish part A? Did you find out the total of each of the stuffed animals? Good. Now that you finished part A, we're going to go on to part B. I'm going to read it to you, and then I'm going to show you what my answer would be. But your answer is going to be different, and your answer might be different from a friend or from somebody else. So make sure that you have your parent helping you with this. I'm going to read part B. Okay, so it says, if you have $1 to spend at the pet shop, what animals would you buy? How much did you spend in all? So that's two-part question. The first question is, you have $1, how much or what animals would you buy? And the second question is, how much did you spend in all? If I only have $1, I know that that's the same as 100 cents. So I'm going to go up to my animals, and this is why I said that I wanted you guys to make sure that you already completed part A, because here are the answers for part A. So I already had written down what each of them costs. Now remember, I only have $1, which is the same as 100 cents. If I only have $1, could I buy a frog for $1.80? No, I can't. I have to choose something that's less than that. So if I wanted to get two items, maybe I could get the dog and the snake. So I would write down here, I would type in, this is my copy, you have your own copy, dog, or I could use a full sentence, I would buy a dog and a snake. Then I have to calculate what 42 plus 36 is. So let's go over here to my money counting. So I've got 42 cents plus 36 cents. I can write that down on my paper to help my thinking. 42 cents plus 36 cents. Let me just double check that that's correct. 42 plus 36, it is. So I can either use coins, or I can, because you might already have the coins left over from when you were doing this math earlier, or I can just use what I know about tens and ones. So I'm going to use coins first to show you how to do it. So I know that 42 cents could mean like maybe 3 dimes, 2 nickels, and 2 cents. This would be 42 cents, right? 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. And then 36 cents, I'm going to get some more dimes so it's easier for me to count, because I know that it's easy to count with tens. Got my money right here. Jingle, jingle, jangle. Rolling in the dough. That's me. So I've got 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 cents right here. So now I can count these together. I'm going to put my biggest ones together, which are my dimes. So I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And now I'm going to count by 5, 65, 70. And now by 1, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 cents. I can also just show tens and ones. So I know that 42 is 4 tens and 2 ones, and then 36 is 3 groups of 10 and 6 ones. I can put them together, put together my tens and my ones, and I know that 4 tens plus 3 tens is the same as 7 tens. That's right. And I know that 2 ones plus 6 ones is the same as 8 ones. I know that 7 tens and 8 ones is the same as 78 cents. So I got the same answer either way. So on my worksheet, I would write down, they cost 78 cents in all. Now your answer is going to be different than mine, because you might want to buy a bird, maybe you want to buy a monkey. Whatever you want to buy, I want you to write it right in here. Then for part C, the last thing you're going to do, it says, how much money would you spend if you purchased the dog, snake, and the bird? So you have to do some more math there, and maybe use some coins or your tens and ones and try to figure that out. All right, and then we're done for today's money project. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.